An earlier version of this article mentioned that the BV9000 had a 720x1440 pixel display, when in fact it was 1080x2160 pixel version. In addition, you will be able to run dual SIM and microSD concurrently. Blackview has been one of the most aggressive up-and-coming Chinese mobile manufacturers. While it is not as well known as the likes of Xiaomi, ZTE, or Ubiquitous, Huawei or Honor, the firm has managed to build a solid reputation as a purveyor of fine ruggedized smartphones thanks to an impressive lineup of IP68 devices released over the past 2 years. Designed, the BV9000 Pro is an evolution of the BV8000 Pro. Design-wise, you can see these two phones together in the pictures above and below, adopting some of the ideas first brought to market by the BV9000 Pro. It abandons the body IP68 logo, brings back the fingerprint reader at the back, cans the dedicated PVD push-to-talk button, and goes for a more subtle color scheme consisting primarily of black. All in all, it looks far more premium than past attempts by Blackview.